Hi, I'm Krasen. Over the past 10 years, I've competed in numerous ultra-running events across Europe, including UTMB, Lavaredo, and many others. Through all these races, I learned that nutrition planning can make or break your performance. That's why I created the Ultra Nutrition Calculator, a tool to help runners like you plan their race nutrition with precision. Let me show you how it works. First, enter your basic information. Add your weight, race distance, and estimated finish time. These are the core inputs that drive your nutrition calculations. Next, expand the advanced options. Here you can fine-tune things like elevation gain, temperature conditions, and your sweat rate. This customization makes your plan more accurate. Click Calculate. The tool instantly shows your total calorie and hydration needs. The Fueling Strategy tab breaks down exactly how many gels, bars, and fluids you need per hour. This takes the guesswork out of race day. Notice the action buttons at the top. You can save your plan, export it, or reset and start fresh. Let's click Save Plan to store this calculation. The Save Plan modal appears. On the Basic tab, give your plan a name and add notes. You can make it private for personal use or public to share with the community. Click Save Plan. Your saved plans appear in My Nutrition Plans. You can load a plan to reuse it, edit to make changes, or delete plans you no longer need. Let's click Edit to dive deeper. The Race Info tab lets you add race details like location and date. Here's something cool: enter your race, coordinates, and click the Weather button. It pulls real-time forecast data using OpenWeather API. This helps you prepare for actual race conditions. Move to the Execution tab. This is where you plan your race day strategy. Add checkpoint times, nutrition, intake schedules, and pacing notes. The Actual Data tab is for post-race analysis. Log what you actually consumed during the race. Compare it against your plan to see what worked and what didn't. In the Success tab, record your finish time and overall experience. Rate how your nutrition plan performed. This builds your personal database of what works. Click Save Plan again. Now let's go to Aid Stations. Load your plan and click this tab. Add your first checkpoint, CP1 at 12 kilometers, 1,200 meters elevation. Check drop bag if you have one, crew access if allowed. Set the cutoff time at 12 o'clock. Click Add Station. The calculator automatically generates what you need at this station. It shows calories burned so far, fluids needed, recommended gels, and electrolyte requirements. Every station is calculated based on your current position in the race. Click the Performance tab. This shows your pace projections, estimated split times, and energy expenditure throughout the race. It helps you understand how your effort level changes over the course. Each section gives you actionable insights. The Race Planning tab breaks down your entire race strategy. See your hourly nutrition needs, checkpoint by checkpoint pacing, and cumulative elevation profiles. This is your complete race blueprint in one view. Risk management identifies potential issues. It flags danger zones, where you might bonk, dehydrate, or overheat. The tool suggests mitigation strategies like extra electrolytes or adjusted pacing. Save your plan one more time with these insights. Click My Account, then User Settings. Here you create your athlete profile. Enter your default weight, typical sweat rate, preferred nutrition brands, and dietary restrictions. This section saves you time. Instead of entering this data for every calculation, store it once. It also helps you maintain consistency across all your race plans. Click Save Settings. Back on the Premium Calculator page, notice the Use My Profile Settings button. Click it. See that? All your personal data automatically populates. This makes creating new plans incredibly fast. That's the Ultra Nutrition Calculator. From basic calculations to advanced race planning with weather, integration, and aid station breakdowns, everything you need is here. Stop guessing with your nutrition. Start planning like a pro. Happy trails, and see you at the finish line.